Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, today's video is going to be a nice simple one for those of you that are using Adobe Premiere and are wondering to yourself, how do I actually reverse my footage? Well, it's actually very easy to do, and let's go to the computer and I'll show you exactly how. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is open up a project. So if we go into our computer, YouTube videos, work in progress, and we'll open up our 2020 template. And what we'll do now is if we import some footage, which we want to reverse. So if we go into how to reverse, I've already got some footage here, which I've made earlier. And we'll just drag that onto the timeline somewhere over here. And if we have a look, where is it? So here we are. Here's me throwing something, or throwing my hat, or trying to throw my hat. That wasn't very good, so let's try this one. Okay, so we get the idea. So we'll crop it there, and just before the throw, highlight and press delete, and then on this section all we do is highlight it, right click, and then go into speed and duration, and we can click on reverse speed. Click OK, and now this will play in reverse. Although you may find yourself wanting to actually render the clip, because sometimes your computer may struggle to play it backwards because it does it on the fly. So if we put an in and out point, and we'll do sequence render effects in to out. And now we should be able to play that. No, that's a little bit better. But anyway, you get the general idea. So there we go, there's how to reverse footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hopefully this is useful to you. If it is, give the video a like and don't forget to click on subscribe for more crazy footage like this. In the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.